Hello and welcome to this demo. In this demo, we'll take a look at how an administrator can use the IBM Software Hub AI Assistant to explore, analyze, and optimize their organization's environment, all through simple natural language commands. In this short demo, I'll walk you through how the AI assistant is designed to enhance your experience and simplify the day-to-day life of an administrator. We'll look at a few different use cases that show how the assistant supports real scenarios, helping streamline tasks, improve efficiency, and make daily operations smoother. As a system administrator, platform administrator, or business user, you're constantly looking for ways to streamline workflows, optimize operations, and make informed decisions. To do that effectively, you need quick access to accurate information and the ability to complete routine tasks efficiently. That's exactly where the AI assistant comes in. Powered by IBM's Granite large language model, the Software Hub AI assistant helps you find precise answers, execute tasks, and follow guided workflows all through a simple conversational experience. With smart guidance, the assistant helps you spend less time searching for solutions and more time focusing on what matters most. Whether it's setting up environments, monitoring systems, or troubleshooting issues, making daily operations smoother and more efficient. Now, let's see how it works. To understand it better, let's look at a scenario. Meet Amy, a new platform administrator who's just joined her organization and needs to get up to speed quickly. Her job is to keep the Software Hub platform operating efficiently, ensuring that services run smoothly, resources are optimized, and the environment stays secure. Instead of spending hours digging through dashboards and documentation, Amy decides to try the AI assistant. With a simple conversational walkthrough, she can explore the platform, understand key features, and get guidance on her tasks, all in just a few minutes. Now, let's move into the actual demo where we'll see how the guided search helps users explore the Software Hub platform. Here, the user can click on Learn about the platform to start a guided search. This opens up several helpful options like Overview of IBM Software Hub, Installation requirements, and securing your environment. Let's click on Overview of IBM Software Hub. From here, the user can choose from multiple topics to learn more about the platform. With the guided search, users can navigate through these topics quickly and easily, getting the information they need without having to dig through documentation or dashboards. Now, let's say Amy wants to learn more about the environment. There are guided options available for that as well. By clicking on About Your Environment, Amy can access several guided topics, including about users, about services, network performance status, and storage performance status. All of this information is easily accessible through the guided search. The installed services and the options to shut down or restart services if needed. Let's go ahead and select Installed Services. This section provides a detailed view of all the services currently installed. If Amy wants to see more in-depth information or open the corresponding monitoring page, a direct link is available right here. Now, let's see how Amy can use the AI Assistant conversational search feature to analyze the health state of the platform. Instead of navigating through multiple dashboards, Amy can simply ask a question. For example, show me the service state report. The assistant intelligently interprets the request and provides comprehensive step-by-step guidance on how to access and review the report. It helps Amy check key aspects such as service status, service instance status, pod status, SNMP response codes, and service check status codes all in one place. It also provides direct links to the relevant documentation, including service status and check codes references, so Amy can easily explore further if needed. What's more, the assistant also gives an outcome-based summary, highlighting that all core services are operating normally and no critical issues have been detected. With a single natural language query, Amy gets not only clear guidance, but also a quick health overview of the entire environment, saving time, improving visibility, and ensuring the platform remains stable and efficient. Now, let's look at another example of how the conversational search feature can help secure the environment. Amy asks, "What are the best practices for securing the setup?" The AI assistant interprets the request and provides comprehensive step-by-step guidance, including a security checklist and links to relevant documentation. This allows Amy to quickly understand and apply the recommended practices, ensuring the platform remains protected, compliant, and resilient. So these were a few examples of how the AI assistant helped Amy perform day one administrative operations on the Software Hub platform, enabling her to complete her tasks efficiently. Now, let's look at another use case to understand how the AI assistant can be used to troubleshoot a performance issue. Meet Jack. He's an experienced platform admin who's been working with Software Hub for a while. Recently, he started using the AI assistant to streamline his daily tasks and boost efficiency. Some business users have recently reported slowness in report generation. The background jobs are taking almost twice as long as usual, and the issue has persisted for the last couple of days. To investigate, Jack logs into the Software Hub platform and launches the AI assistant. Now, he begins by checking network performance using the guided search available on the AI assistant by clicking on About Environment and then Network Performance Status. The assistant generates a detailed report for the network performance health check. Jack can review this report to gain insights into the target nodes, their current status, and the severity of any issues, enabling him to identify potential bottlenecks or areas requiring attention. After reviewing network performance, Jack proceeds to check resource quotas to ensure services have the right allocations. For this, the administrator can use the guided search options by clicking on Manage Resources, which provides further options such as check resource usage, manage scaling, and resource quotas. Resource quotas gives detailed information about quota settings, provides alerts, and shows platform-wide quota details, enabling the administrator to monitor usage effectively and optimize resource allocation. Now Jack clicks on Resource Quotas and notices that quotas have not been set for the platform. He decides to configure quotas for the available services. Additionally, the AI assistant allows to view the resource quota for a specific service, giving detailed insights into its current allocation and limits. This makes it easy for admin to monitor individual services and optimize resources efficiently. Now, in order to optimize, Jack wants to shut down a service to make room for others before setting the quotas. The AI assistant provides a simple way to do this. He can use it to scale the required services by clicking About Your Environment, then selecting About Services and finally choosing Restart or Shutdown for a service. If a service is no longer needed, he can shut it down by clicking on it and selecting the service from the drop-down. This concludes our demo of the IBM Software Hub AI Assistant. As we've seen, the assistant helps administrators explore, monitor, and optimize the platform efficiently through simple conversational commands by providing step-by-step guidance, performance insights, and direct links to documentation. It enables faster decision-making and smoother daily operations.